In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move sketch objects in Fusion 360 using the most efficient methods available. If you have ever been frustrated by trying to reposition a complex sketch or just need to nudge a single line to the perfect spot, this comprehensive tutorial will cover everything you need to know to master your workflow. Moving sketch geometry is a fundamental skill that every designer needs, whether you are working on a simple bracket or a complex mechanical assembly. Before we dive into the steps, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest design tips and tricks. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open or create a sketch. If you are starting from scratch, go to the Create menu and select Create Sketch, then choose the plane you want to work on. If you already have a design, simply find your sketch in the timeline at the bottom of the screen, right-click it, and select Edit Sketch. Once you are in the active sketching environment, the next step is to select the sketch objects you want to move. You can click on individual lines, circles, points, or shapes. If you have multiple items to move, you can hold down the Shift key while clicking them one by one, or you can use a selection window by clicking and dragging your mouse over the entire area. This is particularly useful for complex profiles, where selecting every tiny segment manually would be too time-consuming. With your objects highlighted in blue, it is time to open the Move tool. Navigate to the top toolbar, go to the Sketch menu, then click on Modify and select Move/Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut M to bring this tool up instantly. The Move/Copy dialog box will appear on the right side of your screen. Now, let's move the objects. You will see a set of move arrows and rotation handles appear on your selected geometry. You can simply click and drag these arrows to move the sketch along the X or Y axis. If you need a high level of precision, look at the dialog box or the input fields near your cursor and enter a specific distance value. You can even use the square handle in the center to move the geometry freely across the plane. If you want to leave the original objects where they are and create a duplicate instead, ensure the Create Copy checkbox is ticked in the Move window. Take your time to align everything exactly where it needs to be. Once you are satisfied with the new position of your geometry, click OK in the dialog box to finalize the move. Your sketch objects are now perfectly positioned and ready for the next stage of your design process. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to move sketch objects in Fusion 360 with ease. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.